Hello everyone, welcome back to OGS Mechanics workshop, where today we have a BMW. This is a E90 chassis, a common problem that we've seen before, and we like to show you what is the culprit, what is exactly causing this. It's about the ABS light coming on, intermittent on the dash, and eventually staying on permanently. We have seen it as mentioned several times, and this is caused by the ABS sensor. Now, it's not the ABS sensor on itself that it goes wrong. Just want to show you that the tip of the sensor is rubbed in. It can be hopefully seen, and this is gets rubbed in by the ring where it should pick up the signal. Now I think this angle it should be quite good. So the top of it gets rubbed in, eventually up to a point that is going to cause an open circuit into the coil of the sensor. Now this problem is actually caused by the ring itself. Let's see if we can get in here. So this is the ring where the sensor should pick up the signal from. And if you look carefully, let's see if we can see. So on some section of the ring, the sensor it's rubbing against. Yeah, this is the section where it's rubbing quite significant. And if we turn the drive shaft, we'll see on another section is not rubbing at all. See, this section is not rubbing actually at all. See, and this is one of the section that is rubbing a bit. And this is a section where it's rubbing quite well. So just to have an idea, this ring, instead of being perfectly round, is a bit of oval, and the clearance is supposed to be a clearance between the ring and the sensor, but there's no longer any clearance because the ring becomes like an oval shape. Now this problem gets caused by the rust in between the ring itself and the head of the drive shaft, the CV joint. Rust gets built over time, and the ring becomes oval instead of staying round. This becomes oval, and the clearance gets modified in such a state that is gonna touch the sensor. So what is gonna be the fix? The drive shaft has to be removed. Old ring has to be removed also. The rust has to be clean. A new ring installed. It's still gonna be able to be pressed on the CV joint, and this is gonna fix the problem. Sometimes it happens that the sensor is gonna be so bad that it has to be replaced. However, if the light is not on permanent, will still indicate that the sensor is still gonna be fine, and it will still be able to read to pick up the signal from the ring itself. So I hope this video is useful about ABS light coming on BMW E series, especially on 3 series. Is very known to happen. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos about common car repairs. Thank you.